Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can create an account on CoinMarketCap. To create an account on CoinMarketCap, first of all go ahead and download the CoinMarketCap on your mobile device, or you can also visit coinmarketcap.com on a web browser. Either way, go ahead and open up the web page or your app, and once you get to the home page, tap on the human icon at the top right corner. Now, look for the sign up button to start up the sign up process and tap on it. Inside the sign up page, you can go ahead and enter an email address and create a password for your account. Make sure to enter a valid email address and create a strong password that will keep your account secure, which contains letters and numbers and at least 8 characters. After typing in email address and password, tap on create an account. You can also sign up for an account using your Google account, Apple account, or by continuing with wallet. Once you tap on create an account, this will take you to a next page. Complete the CAPTCHA if necessary and then verify your email address. You will receive an email to your registered email address. Simply click on open email and then select your email service provider. Click open the email from CoinMarketCap account and click here to verify account, or you can also enter the verification code. I'm just gonna tap on click here to verify for easier access. Select a web browser from the list and then you will be able to verify your email address that you just entered for CoinMarketCap. Now you can get back to the app and then after you do that, you will then be able to sign up for a new account on CoinMarketCap. You can also set up additional features such as enabling two-factor authentication for added security once you sign in. Now you can start creating watch lists, track your portfolio, and access other CoinMarketCap features. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.